Now, regular viewers of the channel might wonder where this guitar has gone. I haven't been using it much at all in the last year, I'd say, and since I bought the Jazzmaster, I've barely touched it, so I've been neglecting it and feeling guilty about it because I absolutely adore this guitar. So I'm going to play for you this month's chord melody on my rosewood Telecaster, which is customised with a creamery Charlie Christian pickup in the neck. So this is Someday My Prince Will Come. If you'd like to get the tab and notation of this arrangement, then you can do so on the lowest tier of my Patreon page, link in the description. Really nice to reconnect with that guitar, having not really played it much at all for quite some time. So just to say, I kept that quite simple in terms of chord voicings and so forth. And the reason why is this month on my Patreon page, I've done something a little bit different on the soloist tier, where I do a full lesson on how to arrange a song for chord melody, how to take a basic melody, what you need to understand about a melody, and then what chord voicing knowledge you need to help you then turn that into a chord melody solo guitar arrangement. So if that's of interest, please check out a link to my Patreon page, link in the description below. Hope you enjoyed that arrangement and the Telecaster. If you get a chance to play a Fender guitar with an all rosewood neck, make sure you take that opportunity because I think it's the best Fender neck out there. When it comes to guitars, most of us obsess over the fretboard material, so you know, maple, rosewood, ebony, paraferro, all sorts of materials being used these days. But I think obviously what the actual whole unit, the neck, the back of the neck is made of as well is obviously critical. What sort of finish it's got on it. That is just rosewood, and it was lightly oiled at the factory, and I've since done that when it's been set up, and it is just smooth as anything in the hand. So if you can, I urge you to try one. Thanks as ever for tuning in. Don't forget, I upload every Wednesday, 3 PM UK time. Until next time, you take care.